Hello and welcome to the CCNY CWE Writing Center. Our video, Back to Basics video tutorial, will help you write your essay through using simple writing strategies. Reach out to a writing consultant for guidance. You're watching this video because your instructor advised you, the writing consultant encouraged you, or you came upon it while using the website. You're at the right place, and we are here to help. Let's first start with knowing the anatomy or structure of an essay. No matter the writing style, MLA, APA, or Chicago, this is the basic writing structure. This video is for writing in MLA. The anatomy of an essay looks like the following: original title, general introduction, linking sentence, summary of story, thesis with proving points, pie paragraphs, counter-argument and rebuttal, conclusion, and works cited reference page. Original title. Your title should embody your essay. Many times, your title will not come to you until you complete your essay. General introduction. Write a general introduction about your subject, an opening to grab your reader's attention, a question, facts, statistics, or a non-fiction narrative. Your introduction should follow proof of your opening with a citation, perhaps from your primary source learned in class. Here's an example. Take a moment to read this example. This is a strong introduction. Linking sentence. The linking sentence connects the general introduction to your thesis and proving points. The linking sentence is key. The thesis and proving points. Now for your thesis. The thesis is your claim. The thesis states the claim of your argument. After writing your thesis, immediately, how you are going to prove your claim. In other words, your proving points. For starters, use clue words like through or by or in the way. After your introduction, linking sentence, summary, thesis, and proving points, you are ready to write your first pie paragraph. Pie? Point, the point you are proving. Illustration? Illustrate your quote from your primary source. Explanation. Explain the quote and how it aligns with your point. This pie model for body paragraphs asks you to include 3 parts in each body paragraph. As your paper extends, you can add more illustrations and explanations to support your point. These 3 parts will help your readers follow your analysis. Read carefully and then look at the example. Take some time to examine this example. The pie is color-coded. It might be a great idea to start your draft essay this way to help you stay on track. The pie paragraphs are for each proving point from your thesis. Now that you have written your pie paragraphs, next is the counter-argument and rebuttal. You may not be required to add a counter-argument and rebuttal to your essay, but it adds validity to your thesis. Counter-argument? The section in your essay that describes the other side of the issue. What would someone say who disagrees with your position? Rebuttal? The section where you respond to the counter-argument in a way that shows your position is the stronger one. What would you say to defeat their point? Your rebuttal should be from the primary text. Also, you can add an outside source with the opening to further prove. Notice the counter-argument opens with something like, "Some people might think." The counter is usually one sentence, followed by the rebuttal, saying something to the effect of, "Although this statement may be true, the evidence shows different." This rebuttal should follow some proof from the primary text and sometimes an outside source. You've come to the end of your strong essay, which needs a strong conclusion. This is a difficult paragraph to write effectively. You cannot assume the reader sees your point. So, restate the thesis and proving points. Summarize your argument with some degree of authority. Use points from your previous paragraphs. Your conclusion should leave the reader with no doubt as to your conclusion of logic. Also, think about a universal chord, from micro, your thesis, to macro, world issue, in your last sentence. Restate, summarize, and add that universal chord. Any paper, literature, or research needs a works cited page or reference page. Ask the writing consultant for help, as you must make sure that your citations are written correctly. Use OWL Purdue for structure and examples. Full essay example. To see the full examples from the examples shown in the essay, contact the writing consultant for a copy. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial and you're on your way to writing a strong essay. Remember, this should be your first draft. Review this tutorial as many times as you need to. The goal is to learn the writing strategies to help you in all areas of your writing. Make sure you purchase a pocket-style manual for your writing needs. Thank you for using our Writing Center.